So this is the image I'm going to use. So the first thing we need to do is to make selection here of the dollar bill. So now there are many ways. You can use the free select tool or any tool. So let's try the free select tool, the fuzzy select tool, sorry, left click. Now I'm going to increase a little bit. So here it is. Check the add to the current selection to add some parts here to the selection. So I think here I'm okay. So now I have this small part here. Press the plus on the keyboard to zoom in. And now I'm going to left click on it. So here it is. I have selected it and then select. And then I'm going to select this part here. So I think here I'm fine. So now let's add this one here. So Control Z to undo. So I think here I'm fine. So now I'm just going to delete, press the delete key on the keyboard. So here it is. And now go to select, none. And now I'm going to create a new transparent layer. Click on this icon, fill it with transparency and then press OK. Place the transparent layer under the image layer. And now let's fill it with the white color. So I'm going to fill it with the background. So here it is. And now in order to use this image here to copy it everywhere, you need to make selection of it. So right click, alpha to selection, and then Control C or copy. You can either Control C to copy or go to edit and then copy. So as you can see, Control C. So Control C. Now if I hide this layer here, the image layer, create a new transparent layer, click on this icon, fill it with transparency and then press OK. And now I'm going to remove this selection. So go to select, none, select the paintbrush tool, left click on the brush, and now you can find your image here. So now if I left click, so as you can see, it is half the image because the image is quite big. So we need to scale it down. So Control Z to undo. So let's select this one here, the layer, the image layer, and now select the scale tool, left click, hold the Control key to scale it down proportionally. So here it is, and now press enter. And now just as before, right click on the layer, alpha to selection to make selection from the image layer, this one here. Control C to copy, and now go to select, none. Now I'm going to hide this image of the dollar bill, select the transparent layer on top of it. So let's select the paintbrush tool. Now left click, now you'll find your image here. We copied from the selection here. So here it is. Now if I left click, so here it is. So Control Z to undo, so you can reduce the size. So Control Z. Can also control the spacing. So for example, if I increase the spacing, if I left click, so here it is. So now check the enable dynamics, click on dynamics, this one here, left click, and then scroll down and then select track direction. So as you can see, you can create, so for example, direction here, the angle of your brush changes with your cursor. So Control Z to undo. You can also, for example, check the apply jitter and then just increase. So for example here, now if I left click, so here as you can see, it is making different copies like this. So Control Z. So for the apply jitter, I'm going to bring it back to 1.6, press enter. So I'm going to uncheck it. I'm going to reduce a little bit the spacing. Going to increase the size, and now I'm just going to fill my layer, so like this. So here it is. So now let's see the before. So this is the before and this is the after.